Hello and thank you for watching this video. This is video 3 of a series of videos to learn how to use CloudLSI. In this video, we will learn about the CloudLSI Product Information Management tool. We have divided our CloudLSI training in 4 videos. Video 1 is an overview of CloudLSI. In video 2, we are describing how to manage your product catalogs. Video 3, which is this video, we describe the product management information functionality implemented in CloudLSI. And finally, video 4, where you can learn your way around CloudLSI product data model. Let us get started with the product information management. Once you have logged on to the CloudLSI tool, access the Product Information Management or PIM option. Right-click on the product link, left-click on the product link, which contains 4 options. New, which is used to add one single product or SKU at a time. Single edit. The single edit option allows you to edit one product or SKU at a time. Bulk edit, which allows you to edit several products and several fields at a time. And the export option, which you can use to export products from your catalog. If you have a need to add a single product to your product catalog, use the new option. The new option can be used in 2 ways. Use a template, or you can continue without a template. When you add a product using a template, that means you will use an existing product as a baseline to add your new product. But you can add a product without a template, which means you will add the product from scratch. Let us explore the adding a product using a template option first. Your first step is to select the product that will be used as a template. This should be a product that is very similar to the new product that you are planning to add. This means that you need to start by searching for that similar product. So the question is, how do you search for a product? The PIM search panel gives you the ability to filter your search by manufacturer and by category. But you can also do a general search by typing a value on the search by product box. And furthermore, you could combine the 3 search capabilities to narrow down your search even more. To kick off your search, press the search button. So we select a manufacturer, we select a category, we click the search button, we can clear our search, both our search and the filters that we selected. So let's try our search again in order to show you how to use the products that your search will find. So you click on the search button. Use the scroll down bars to find the product that you're looking for. Notice that you have 2 scroll bars. You can click on the more blue down arrow if necessary. Once you have found the product that you're looking for, left click on that product. The Product New panel shows you the fields that are associated with the product you selected. In this panel, you can search for specific fields. So you use the search box. Let's say you want to look for a UPC. And we can go ahead and actually update that UPC since we are adding a new product which should have a different UPC. So we update that. Let's say I just basically add 3 extra 9s. You can if you remove your search argument, you will see your products again, your fields, sorry, again. You can add new fields that may not be contained on your product. Let's say that you have the item weight for your field, and that field does not exist in this product. You can go to the Add Field box. You look for the specific field. You left click on it. You type a value, and you add the value by clicking the Add button. You can also add new fields to your product. Let's say Training Insert Field. You type a value, and you add it. Once you have filled out the details of your new product, click Save. But if you have decided not to add the new product, click on the Cancel button. So if you were to click the Save button, you will get a success data saved message. You can go ahead and make another product. But what if you do not have a product that you can use as a baseline? In that case, you can use the Continue Without a Template option by clicking on this blue and white arrow. Use the Add Field option to search for the fields that you need for your product. So let's search for the UPC value. We left click on the UPC. We click the UPC of the corresponding product, and we click on the Add value. We can add a description for our product. Let's say long description. We can say this is a new field added in training. We click Add. We can also add new fields that do not exist in your catalog just now. So I type a training field, no template. I type a value, test field, no training, and I add the value. Again, once you have filled out the details of your new product, click Save. But if you have decided not to add the new product, click on the Cancel button. Let us continue with the BIM Single Edit option now. Click on the Single Edit submenu. The first step to edit a single product will be to search for the product that you are planning to update. The search options available to you are the same options you had on the Add New Product panel. You can filter by manufacturer or category. You can do a general search and combine these three search capabilities to narrow down your search. You can scroll down to find the products you need. So let's do a search, say on lamps, search. We scroll down and we select the coated incandescent lamp. The Product Single Edit panel displays your selected product fields. Look for the fields you need to update by using the Search option. So let's say that we want to update the weight of the package. So here we have the field and its value. Let's say the weight is 745. So that way you have updated that field. You can also add new fields to your product. Say we want to add the type attribute to your product. So we look for that particular field and we type a value. Let's say the value is reflector. We type add to add a particular new field. We can also add brand new fields to your product. And again, I'm trying to add, let's say, a new field for training. And we'll say value for training. And we add the field. Once more, you can save your updates or cancel out of this page. Let's save these updates. What if you need to update more than one product and or field at a time? You can use the PIM bulk edit option. Your first step for bulk editing is to select the products that you want to update. For buying group members, you will have access to two product search options: category, which is the default one, and standard. The category option, which uses your buying group taxonomy to give you drill down searching capabilities. To use the drill down, press on the right white arrow next to the category that you're interested in. By pressing on that category down arrow, you will be able to see the next level down. You can continue with this process until there are no more levels to select from. You can then click on the select button, which will take you to the field selection panel. The standard search option is the same search method used for adding and editing single products, which provides manufacturer, category, and general search. Enter your search values. Select Philips, category. Let's search for in. Once you have typed your search criteria, you click on the search button. On the products bulk edit panel, select the products you're planning to update by left-clicking on each product. You can also click on the Select All Products displayed arrow. These actions will send the selected products to the right side of the screen. You can left-click on any product to deselect it if necessary. Once you are comfortable with your selection, click the Next button. The next bulk edit step is to select the fields that you're planning to update. You can use the search box to look for specific fields. You can select all fields by clicking on the Select All arrow. This action will send the selected fields to the right side of the screen. Let's deselect them all just to select a couple of fields from here. So let's do a search to select some specific fields such as features and benefits, the life in hour attribute. We can also add new fields. For example, the item weight. And you can also add brand new fields. When you press enter, you will see that all of those fields have been selected. Once you are comfortable with your field selection, click the next button. You can always press the back button to go back to the search panel if necessary. So let's move on with the next button. The last bulk edit step will be to update the selected products and fields. This step gives you 3 update options: append, replace, and remove. With the append option, you will add new information at the end of your field value. For example, in the case of Philips, the Philips value, I could say, and very convenient price. This and very convenient price will be appended to Philips awesomeness in the features and benefits field. Replace will remove the existing value of the field and will add the value that you enter. So let's say that I want to replace the value. All of these incandescent lamps, let's say that they all now have a 6,500 hours of life. You can add a new value for the item weight, let's say 1, and we are going to do replace. We're basically replacing an empty value with the 1 value in this case, and we can say field for testing will be the value that we will be adding for this particular field. We are going to say replace, and we can click on save changes if we're satisfied, or we can start over to go to the previous panel and select or deselect fields, or we can click on the back button to restart your search all over again. But before we click the save changes, I would like to mention that this edit step will give you a sampling of the first 10 products. In this case, we only had 2, but if you were to select more than 10 products, you will, in this panel, you will basically see the first 10 products that are available for editing, and it will show you the product name at the top of the screen to give you a reference of what products you're updating. It will also show you the current values of the fields that you selected for update purposes. So we're going to click on the Save Changes to save our product. Now that we've discussed the bulk edit and the PIM editing options, I would like for you to consider the following. A bulk edit will only show the fields that are common across the products that you selected. Your product updates will be reflected in your catalog automatically. If you do not see values populated in your categories or manufacturer search, see the connector configuration video to set those values up. To see your connector configuration training, see video 4 using CloudLSI product data model option. The last PIM option we will check out in this video is the export option. This option will allow you to download a copy of your catalog to your computer. Begin by selecting the export option from the PIM menu. The PIM export panel gives you the option to filter the rows that you want to export from your catalog. Click on the Add Filter button. Select the field that you want to use as a filter. Let's say we want to select only one specific manufacturer, so we will select the manufacturer name field. Say we want to select 3M products. We have the option to include products for 3M in this case, or to exclude products and select everything except 3M. We also have the option to remove filters with the little trash can icon. Type a name for your export file. and click the Export button. You may be prompted to save or open your file. I'm going to click on OK. And you may be prompted to accept the risk to download this file to your computer. Click on the Accept the Risk button. By default, your file will be downloaded to your Downloads directory. This concludes our product information management training. At this point, I recommend that you now move on to video 4, using CloudLSI product data model options. Thanks for watching.